I'm Shirley from WDS company. Today we show you how to use this new model WDS 580 to repair laptop motherboard. The machine has 2 hot air heating and 1 infrared heating tool. This button to control the infrared heating area. The universal fixture can remove smoothly. The whole plate can be removed as well. And this is the second heating height adjustment. This is the vacuum pane to pick up the chip. Here we can see some function keys on the panel. This is the sensor to test the chip temperature. This is the working light. This is the start button. We press it, the machine will start to heat. This is the emergency button. If we press it, the machine will stop heating. First, we turn on the machine. And then fix the laptop on the machine. Add the lower heating nozzle. When we choose the upper heater, it should be bigger than the chip. So this time we choose this one. The upper heater can remove up and down, front and back. This machine uses NCGS touch screen and 2 languages are provided. We can also change language for your requirements, like change to French, Spanish. This time we choose English and choose admin. Then choose curve. The machine already set some temperatures before shipment by engineer, and it can storage more than 5,000 temperature groups. We can change the inside data, and after changing the data, we need to click Save and then Download, click Back, and then click Run. Also, we can press this Start button to start heating. We can also open the working light. And we can see 3 heating lines on touch screen. The purple means the upper heating temperature. The green is the bottom heater, and the blue is the infrared heating. use this vacuum pen. We need to click this to vacuum on. And here is the hole. We put the finger here. Then the vacuum exists. We can remove it after we hear this ring.